Oh man, I love playing PUBG. Wait, what is this sudden notification? Totally not a part of the freaking YouTube video that we're making right now. Well, what does it say? It says, come to the annual cooking competition, and if you win, you get $1. I don't even make 1 cent a day. I make 1/4 of a penny. Well, I'm going. Freak that PUBG match. Welcome to the annual cooking competition, and our contestants are Pikachu and Mickey Mouse. Crowd cheer. I guess this is what people do when they cook. They just chop up stuff, so. Why isn't it working? Well, I guess I'm going to the fridge to find something. A cucumber. I guess I need to chop this up again. Well, time to grab something from well, this isn't working. Spring rolls. Well, that sound effect was weird as but. Well, I guess I'm done. But I'm totally not cheating. Oh wait, I can't forget to add the sauce. I'm not adding it. I'm totally adding it.
I got this good. Okay, while he was just talking to himself. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm talking to myself too. But I was able to get this done. I think he might like it, but I feel like I should add something more. What should I add? I'm gonna go over to the fridge. Maybe this? Yeah, I think it might work. Okay, I think maybe add this. That's that. Okay, I think I'm done now. Just gonna grab this. Back on. This side for sure. Okay, I'm done.
Well, should I test yours first, Mickey Mouse?
I guess sure, but I don't know if it's good. That's pretty normal because I don't know how to make food.
Well, time to test yours.
Wait.
What do you want?
Try the Capri Sun.
You can't even make anything. You probably got this from a dang fridge. Peasant.
That was one inside.
Okay, well, time to test yours, Pikachu. Mine is great. Like Tony the Tiger. Well, these spring rolls look pretty good. Time to test it. This is the damn best thing I've ever found. Well, tasted actually. How'd you make this? Well, I just chopped up a cucumber. I don't know your ways, but that sounds so weird. Pikachu, you've won. Your stuff is behind the crowd. Oh, what does this say? Haha, you just played this for fun. What do you mean? I did all of that. Wait, I didn't really do work, but what? I don't get my money.
That's what you get.
Everyone run!
That's what you get for cheating.